Hello, it's Carla from Scrap and Create, and today I want to show you our newest little folio. This is using Graphic 45 Curiouser and Curiouser. This is part of our monthly folio collections. My idea was for this year I wanted to make a folio that would hold your photos or memorabilia for that month. So it's not overwhelming making a huge album. You can have these little spots just for anything that happens in that month. We've already made our January folio, so this is going to be February. You don't have to use it like that. You can use it any way you want. But this is following the same size as our January folio, but a little bit modified. It's still 8 1/8 inches tall by 6.5 inches wide. The difference with this one, it's now a 1/2 inch spine. The other one was 3/8 of a spine, so it's just been increased a little bit. So the front of the cover, this is all made with the 8x8 collection. Nothing else here is other than the February. This is all from the 8x8 collection. So just did some fussy cutting here, put these journaling cards down, did some fussy cutting here, matted that down, back this little sentiment, added our February. That is a free digital download. You do not have to do that. And that is the front cover. This little, I call it a little door handle type. I showed you how to make this in January, the January folio. Again, we have our black construction tape on our spine to protect that spine. It will never get damaged, never get torn. So it's really good to use this black construction tape to protect those spines. And here is the back. So I don't know, I just like that black and red contrast. I thought it was really pretty. So let's open it up. So you open it up, it has a magnetic closure, magnets here and here. And when you open it up, you're going to come to the left panel and the right panel. So this left panel has a little flap here that's held down by a ribbon closure. So you open this up and you have a space for 4x6 photos here and here. And then this just closes back up with that ribbon tie closure. And here's our notch. So we open it up and then we are coming to this spread. So we have our 3 pieces of our folio. And I tried to coordinate the colors in the paper so they all kind of look well together. This was a difficult paper collection just because the colors were so vibrant and the patterns were pretty striking. So I wanted to keep everything so it looked like it wasn't too busy. And I think this looks beautiful. So we start over here. We have a pocket. There's a photo mat from this is the Patterns and Solids. This is from the Patterns and Solids. And then we have our little journaling card from the 8x8 collection that fits in here. And here is the middle piece. So this looks good like this. I just thought this, if it's February, I just thought that looked great. We used the Mad Hatter journaling card as a tuck spot. And here is our February calendar. So these are free digital downloads from our website, and I'll give you the link on how to get this in the description box below. So this, I printed this at 85%. If you want to print it at 100%, see, where's my 100%? Here's the 100%. If you print it at 100%, it's going to give you more of a 5x7. So if you want it bigger, you can print it at 100%. If you want it smaller, it's at 85%. So if you have some notations, like on this day I'm meeting my friend for lunch, you can put it all on the back here, because there's not a lot of room to make notes on here, but you can put them back here, and this obviously will give you even more room. So that fits in here. Then I made a little photo mat. This is for 3x4 photos, and I just thought this would look nice tucked back in here. It just kind of breaks up the pattern, and I thought this looks very nice. Now, oh, the other thing I wanted to tell you, when you print this out, if you print it on white cardstock, it is going to be white, and it does not go well with the paper collection. It's just too glaring. So what I did is I printed it on the back side of this piece from the Patterns and Solids. Just cut it to 8.5 by 11, put it in your printer, and you will get the card and your fonts for February. At 85%, what I printed it out, I used the 19 font February for my front cover, but you have different options down here. So that is just a good use of this paper, making your calendar. So that goes back in here. And then we have, then we have this flap here, which is another pocket. And there's the pocket. This is from the 8x8 collection. This has a 1/4 inch gusset. And this gusset was also covered with black construction tape there. So this pocket holds a photo mat. Actually, I made this into a booklet. Yes, I did. I made this into a booklet. There's a booklet there, a photo mat here, and we have a sentiment, a journaling card from the collection that just holds it all in. So you close this, and then you open this. And then we come to the back part of our folio. So this is more just using, I love this paper, this black and white paper, and with the red, I thought I just fell in love with black, white, and red. I used the gold from the Patterns and Solids just to break this up a little bit. This is a tuck spot. This is a tuck spot down here. So you can put something down in here or tuck a 4x6 photo back in here using this little sentiment from the collection. If you don't know where you're going, any road will take you there. That goes there. And then this is a belly band with Tweedledee and Tweedledum as a bridge. Now, when I was making this belly band, those of you that have made them before, you know whatever you put in here, once you flip this over, it's going to slide into this area here, and you can bend whatever gets in here. So I made this bumper, and this is a 1/8 inch thick bumper. I don't know if you can even appreciate the size of that bumper, but it's made with 6 layers of 110-pound cardstock glued together, and then I put the pattern paper on top. So now we have this thick bumper. This isn't going anywhere. And Tweedledee and Tweedledum just kind of hold everything together. And this is a little booklet. And open that up. And that just fits back in here. And there's more room back here. Here's this booklet. You can put another booklet back in here. And there's plenty of room back in here. So this is our folio for the month of February. I'm going to be starting the March folio shortly. What you will need for this is 1 pack of the core 8x8 collection, and you will need not 16 sheets, but we sell 8 sheets of the Patterns and Solids, because that's all you're going to need for this collection. I actually got 2 just because I'm going to be using the gold, the red, and this color. I just like those, and I'll probably be using those for Christmas. But this is the Patterns and Solids. And like I said, the digital download for the calendar and February will be in our shop and listed below. Just one other thing. to supply these free digital downloads and free tutorials, we need to keep our business open. And as you probably know, the scrapbooking business is not thriving at this moment, and it's getting really hard to keep the doors open. So if you can, if you go to our website, look around, if there's any paper that you need, any supplies, try to support our business so we can continue to provide you with free content and free digital downloads. So I will see you guys in March with our next little folio, and keep on crafting.